It's GoPro time, so let's take a closer look at the box and see what you'll get. It's smaller, more powerful. We've gone into that, we'll go into more of that later. Let's open this up. Attached to the amp is the custom bracket for your BMW, in this case a G01. It's already installed and ready to go. Our new harness is way cleaner than the previous one, and the power cables can be plugged in or out directly from the amp. No more screwing in the power cables like previously. And in this bag, you'll get your USB cable. You'll also get this remote in-out cable. You'll also get this adapter cable, and you'll also get whatever hardware you need for the install, which in this case for G01 is this nut right here. This amp is still top in the industry when it comes to being ready to go out of the box. Each amp comes with a custom bracket for your BMW or Mini and all plug-and-play harnesses. I mean, it's what we've been known for years, so why change, right?